Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Duolingo free trial step by step clearly. First, check which device you use to start the Duolingo free trial, because you must cancel it in the same place. If you started on an iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app on your device. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Tap Subscriptions to see all active and expired subscriptions. Find and tap Duolingo in the list. Tap Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Subscription, then confirm when asked. If you do not see a Cancel button, the trial is already canceled or already ended. To double-check on iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Subscriptions again. If you started on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Subscriptions. Select Duolingo from the subscription list. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. After canceling on Android, scroll to see the end date so you know when access will stop. If you started on the Duolingo website, open a web browser and go to Duolingo.com. Log into the same Duolingo account you used for the trial. Click your profile picture, then open Settings. Go to the Subscription or Super Duolingo section in Settings. Click Cancel Subscription and confirm the cancellation. Next, open your email and search for the original receipt from Apple, Google, or Duolingo to confirm the subscription platform. Then search your email for a cancellation confirmation message and keep it for your records. Open the Duolingo app to make sure your account status shows the correct plan and end date. If the plan still looks active, wait a few minutes and restart the app, because updates can take time. If you have more than one Duolingo account, repeat the check on the account you actually used to start the trial. If you cannot find Duolingo in subscriptions, verify you are signed in to the correct Apple ID or Google account. If you were charged unexpectedly, request a refund through Apple or Google support using the Purchase History page. Before leaving, turn off auto-renew reminders by setting a calendar alert a day before the trial ends for next time. Finally, remember you can keep using the trial benefits until the displayed end date even after you cancel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.